Hey, what's up everyone, Zulfikar here and welcome to ZFN channel. So recently I purchased something online and it sucks. So the chronology is like this. I was searching for a cheap alternative wireless earbuds, or in other words an alternative for Apple Airpods, and then I came across with this Xiaomi product, the Xiaomi Airdots Pro 2 or Airdots, what they call Air 2 in Chinese market. It attracts me because of the design is similarly the same as the Apple AirPods, only like they're on steroids, an AirPod on steroids. I did study about it, and the range of the price is about 200 to 300 Malaysian ringgit, or $50 US. So I went on a search to this e-commerce platform, I rather not say, and I did find some seller that sells this really cheap price, about 100 ringgits, or in US dollar about $20 US. I said, wow, jackpot. That's what I thought, but at first I was really skeptical. So I had a chat with the seller and I asked him, hey, is this really 100% Xiaomi original? And he responded, yes, 100% original. Okay, at that time I was still quite skeptical because I know the retail price is about 200 to 300 ringgit, and I still skeptical and still not convinced. And I asked him, please, can you send some of the pictures of the product and everything? So he sent me, and man, it is 100% legit. The design is really the same, the boxing almost the same. I would say it is the same, or I was like 80% convinced. So it took me like about one day to think about it. And then I decided, okay, I gamble. And I bought it for like 90 ringgits, or in US is about $25. I did redeem of the e-commerce platform vouchers and everything, so I get a bit cheaper, free shipping and everything. So I still have the benefit. So okay, I just bought it, and it took me about 2 weeks to the shipping to arrive. And during that 2-week period, I studied everything about this Xiaomi Airdots Pro 2, and studied its spec, its features, and everything. The unboxing from the other YouTube videos, and then after 2 weeks it arrives. Yeah, this is it. Show you. Focus. Okay. It's allegedly the same. You don't see any difference, right? No difference, because it's legitly the same. But I did unbox it first. So, but before I record this video, I recorded of this unboxing of this product. So yeah, after I unbox this Xiaomi Airdots Pro, it disappoints me. Because yeah, during that 2 weeks period, I'm fully equipped with this Airdots Pro in terms of its spec and its features and everything, and sucks. But although the design, it's literally the same, there's no different in terms of its design. There's only a few features that lack in this. I don't know what I want to call it, a fake one. I will say that it is a super copy of the Airdots Pro 2, I presume. I'll let you guys decide. But anyway, enjoy this unboxing video, and along the way I will highlight the differences between the original and this super copy one. But unfortunately I don't have the original Airdots Pro currently. I will leave a link in the description below. You can refer to this other YouTube video. I saw this video, so I think it's, yeah, you can refer to this video to see the differences between the original one and this super copy one. Alright guys, enjoy this unboxing. Alright guys, here is the front packaging of the Xiaomi Airdots Pro 2. So yeah, it looks so legit. Let's have a quick comparison with the original Xiaomi Airdots first edition one. So what I want to highlight is that the underneath here, the original one have this seal tape here, but for the Airdots here, it doesn't have this seal tape at the top and the bottom. So at the back here we have the specification. Yeah, it's all written in Chinese. So yeah, let's open up and see what's inside. At first glance at, it looks so legit. At first I unboxed this, I have faith in it. I want to highlight that this Type-C cable here, and the original one they cover up with good plastic, but this one they tie it up with the simple wire. So next one we have the user manual, all written in Chinese, so I can't read them. Look at the logo itself, gives me the creeps. I don't know why. Let's put this one aside and let's have a look at the charging case of the Airdots Pro 2. Yeah, I saw the original video for the Airdots Pro 2, and yeah, looks really identical. At the side here, the power button, the LED looks really okay, looks legit. And underneath the charging case, we have the USB Type-C port. This charging case. Opening up the lid there's nothing special here. Although the original one, when we open up the lid, it will automatically on LED lights, but in this model, I don't know. Put that aside and let's open. So yeah, I want to highlight that this one, the original one, supposed to be at the right side, but this one we have to peel it at the left side. Alright, so and the next one I want to highlight that in the original, the Airdots original, supposed to be there's a plastic bag, the small small cover plastic here, but in this one there's no plastic to cover up. Okay guys, you can refer to the original video. I will leave the link in the description. Yeah, looking at it, nothing looks so fake here. It looks so genuinely legit. You still have the touch control from here, and this blinking here, it means that it is in pairing mode. Underneath here we have the 2 pins to charge the earbuds here, and at the center there's the microphone. Yeah, overall the design is, yeah, it's really nice. It looks the same as the original. Let's put them inside the charging case. Yeah, so the red LED indicator showing that it is charging. Alright, let's take a zoom in at the Airdots. I think it's the date of manufacture, I presume. So another thing I want to highlight that in this model, they don't have the infrared sensor, which for the auto play pause function means that there's no infrared sensor there. So we don't have the auto play pause features. Alright guys, now let's try to pair the Airdots Pro 2 with my phone. Alright guys, as I mentioned before, it has no auto pairing when we open the charging case like this. Yeah, it will not detect. Also, I did try to hold down the power button, hoping it will go to auto pairing mode, but no, it will straight away turn off the Airdots. So the only way to pair the Airdots to the phone, we have to take them out from the charging case. A real bummer. Yeah, it connects similar fashion as the original Airdots. Alright guys, now let's try the touch control. Single touch is to play pause, and double tap is to activate Google Assistant for Android, and for iOS to activate Siri. Right, now let's try to wear them. It's pretty comfortable, fits really well. For a shake test, yeah, it's easily came off. It's the same problem as the Apple AirPods, but yeah, still okay. Alright guys, here are the specifications of the Airdots Pro 2. This is straight away from the box. Alright guys, my final thought, it is an okay product. Although it lacks the original features like the auto play pause, the auto pairing, everything, and lacks in volume, but still it has a good sound quality and good battery life. So guys, when you shop online, make sure it is genuinely original. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.